Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. It's like Saturday evening around 6 o'clock at night and we are still in quarantine. So I had nothing to do today. I decided I wanted to clean my whole entire apartment because it is a hot mess. Not even hot, it's a mess. I haven't cleaned it in a while just because I've been so tired and I'm so lazy and I let it get pretty bad in the past couple days. So I wanted to clean my whole apartment, but I also wanted to film it for you guys because I have been trying to do a clean my apartment with me video for literally months. You guys have requested it before. Let me just show you guys how messy it is right now. Here's the kitchen. I need my tripod to film my cleaning, but this is a mess. I hate when there's shoes all there. Just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. I got some wine because I need a little bit of motivation to clean. Gotta do my dishes. I hate clutter a lot. This might not seem messy to some people, but to me this is extremely cluttered and I don't like it. I like nothing on surfaces. Here's my living room. Again, it's not as bad as some people would think, but it's just really messy to me. My bathroom is actually clean because I just filmed an organizational bathroom video. If you're interested in watching that, then I will link it below and above. But yeah, I literally just organized and cleaned my bathroom. Here is my bedroom. Here is the culprit of everything that is wrong with my apartment right now. My humongous pile of clean laundry. That's clean laundry that has been sitting there for probably 5 days. I need to fold that. I need to put all of my stuff away. I want to clean my bed, change my bed sheets, and then this is another culprit, just another random pile of clothes. Just, ugh, oh God. So that's what my apartment looks like. So I'm gonna clean my bedroom and my kitchen and living room. It's not too big of a space, so hopefully it won't take me that long. So we're gonna drink a little wine before I clean to give me a little bit, you know, juice of a motivation. Glasses are from Crate and Barrel. I know I will get questions on that. All right guys, stay tuned to watch me clean my apartment. guys, do you see the tiredness in my eyes? I am so tired. It's been about 4 hours since I first started cleaning. Yes, it's been 4 hours. And I am so dead. I am so tired. I cannot wait to go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean. I know it really wasn't that much and it wasn't really that exciting. It was kind of just montages really of me cleaning. But I hope you guys really enjoyed that, because I did have a few requests to do this video, and I thought it would be really interesting to just watch me clean, because I actually like watching people clean. I watch a lot of videos like this. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to bed. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.